This method can help answer key questions in the combinatorial technique of the microfluidic system and molecular biotechnology field, such as microfluidic devices and asymmetric PCR methods. The main advantages of this technique are efficient generation of highly homogeneous sized microspheres and the production of single-strand DNA without any additional separation steps. The implications of this technique extend toward the diagnosis or therapy of various diseases. Because generation of single-strand DNA is key for aptamer synthesis, which can be used for detection and treatment.
So this method can provide insight into three-dimensional microfluidic system in MEMS. It can also be applied to other systems used for detection and treatment of disease. Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle to properly control fluids from flowing in the reverse direction. Visual demonstration of this method is critical to observe the microsphere formation in the flow focusing geometry and solidification of generated microspheres.
First, prepare 20 milliliters of liquid PDMS pre-polymer by mixing base polymer and catalyst in a 10:1 ratio. Pour 10 milliliters of the liquid PDMS onto a prepared SU8 mold on a silicon wafer for the upper part of the microfluidic network.